away.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la.
At the roundabout, take the first exit on in direction of A6 Kaiserslautern.
Merry Christmas, everybody! So today the episode is just driving around to see one of the small city or town in Germany. It's called Kaiserslautern, and that's where around the area where we live. And so this episode is more raw. I don't want to edit anything much, so you guys can see how it is during the Christmas in Europe, specifically in Germany. So because of the 25th Christmas Day and everything is closed, you're not expecting like super crowded or a lot of people going out, just like in Cambodia, Phnom Penh. So today, if it's in my country, Phnom Penh, the capital city, it's kind of like everywhere it's super full and packed and everything. But unlike here, everything is so quiet. But I'm not sure if it's really quiet. You will see, and we will see together. So we are just leaving from home, and this is all along the way. And right now it's just 4:55. So the sunset here, it's the sun setting, it's around 4:30. So it's kind of like super early, and then the sunrise around 8:30. Yeah. And the temperature today is this morning it was -1 or 2, and right now what -1? Yeah, right now it's -1. You can see it in the car. Yeah, now it's -1. It's really peaceful town, and along the way, like you can see, as you know already, and now it's already 4:59, and it's super dark already. And
500 meters.
I'm sure it's around 5 to 10 minutes more. It's completely dark.
Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la.
So you can see all the road here is like two-way road, and it's very narrow, and during the right now it's the winter, they are not allowed the car to park along the way, but maybe not winter, but it's when it's snow, kind of like a very small road. So this is a neighborhood of the area where we stay, and then like you can see when the one car coming and one car going, we are how to say, we are right away. Look at this Christmas decoration. I mean, not too many houses that they have that kind of like nice decoration, but of course they do have like the star David. Almost every house is on the window, but yeah, this house is also nice. Decoration too, like a light. So right now we are in town. So far it seems quiet, not too much crazy light.
Then turn right on Frühlingstrasse.
Like you can see, it's a little starting to get dark. It's 5-7 already. is the as you can see, Penny is the grocery store, and then we are heading to pass towards who is that? Hampton Inn? Yeah, Hampton Inn. Yes, Hampton Inn. So quiet. And then this one is also another grocery store or like supermarket where you can get all the food from there. It's also like super quiet, and this is only 5:09, but even though it's a daytime, it's still quiet because today is the holiday. We are passing by there. Train station. This is the train station right there. It's a train station. It's so quiet too.
Make a U-turn on Bahnhofstrasse. Then turn left on Glockenstrasse.
Look at that, this train station is super quiet, but they're not closed at least. Of course, people are traveling still.
Turn left on Richard Wagnerstrasse.
Together, la 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 la, heedless of the wind and weather, la 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 la.
Love taxi.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. Tis the season.
I feel like this is not 5 o'clock. It's like almost 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. It's like super quiet, like you can see here. Let me zoom a little bit. Yeah, it's so quiet. Everything is closed. Everything is. It's just like so cool. So this is like very in the middle of the central area, and you already can tell this is like extremely quiet, which is some of the city you will imagine that people are going out, hanging out.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la.
This one, here it is. So that was the favorite house that full of decoration in front of the house.
Apparel, la la la